Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you to this live broadcast on Alliance in Motion Global. My name is Masagana Sedkwe, and I am an entrepreneur with Alliance in Motion Global. This morning, I'm speaking about 3 important requirements to have results in AIM Global. I'm doing this because, as I have said before, sometimes when people don't know what it takes to be successful in a particular field of endeavor, they do not take action, they do not join. But when you can make people understand what is required to be successful, and they analyze and examine themselves and realize that they have exactly the things you are talking about, they are more encouraged to join. And so I want to tell you 3 of the things that you will need to achieve success in AIM Global, so that if you believe that you can have or you have these 3 requirements, you feel free to join us and we will help you to be successful. Number 1, big dreams. Do you have dreams for your life? Do you have goals for your life? Do you have objectives that you have set for yourself that you intend to achieve before the end of the year, in the next 2 years, in the next 5 years, for your lifetime? Do you have goals that you are pursuing? It is said that if you aim at nothing, you are likely to achieve nothing, because nothing ventured, nothing gained. So in order to be successful in AIM Global, you must have dreams. And the kind of dreams that you need to be successful in AIM Global are big dreams. What is your dream house? What is your dream car? What is the dream school you would want your children to attend? What are the places you dream of visiting? What are the dreams you have for your life, for your children, for your family? Are they big dreams? If they are big dreams, dreams that when you think about, something shakes in you because they are real big, and sometimes you wonder how you can be able to achieve it. AIM Global helps people achieve big dreams. That is why, to be successful, your dreams must not just be dreams, they must be big dreams. If you have big dreams for yourself and for your family, then I want to welcome you to the wonderful world of Alliance in Motion Global, because we will help you to achieve the big dreams that you have for your life. Requirement number 2, develop your skills. Like any profession, network marketing and also Alliance in Motion Global also require skills. And you will need to develop skills to be successful. Some of the skills that you will need to be successful in AIM Global are skills in prospecting, that is, finding people to talk to about your opportunity. You will need skills with respect to how to even invite the people. Sometimes you get people, but if you don't know how to properly invite them, they will not come to even listen, let alone join your opportunity. So you need skills to be able to invite. You will need skills to be able to present effectively your opportunity. You need good presentation skills. You also need good communication skills. You should be skillful in how you communicate. You should be skillful in how you communicate to people who are ahead of you in society, people who are below you in society, people who are your colleagues in society. You should be able to speak and communicate effectively to all manner of people and all classes of people. You will need to develop communication skills. You also need to develop interpersonal or relationship skills. How do you relate with people? You need skills to develop that kind of activity you will be engaging, interpersonal relationship. You need skills in business etiquette. You should know how to behave and to comport yourself. You should know etiquette, courtesy, respect for one another and to people. You need that skills in order to be successful in AIM Global. You also need skills in order to be able to close deals. When you do your presentation, you should be able to effectively close the deal. You need skills in that area. You also need skills to be able to do effective and proper follow-up. It is said that in Alliance in Motion and especially network marketing, the fortune is in the follow-up. The quality of your follow-up determines the quality of your success. And so, if there is a skill you need to develop to be very successful in AIM Global, it is the following up skills. There are many other skills, and for lack of time, I won't be able to mention all. But the good news is that we have the best training system in network marketing to help you get trained in order to develop all the skills that you need to be able to be successful. And so if you want somewhere that you will be properly trained to be able to develop all the skills you need, join Alliance in Motion Global. One thing that you must know is that the things that you are confident about in life, the things you are confident doing in life are the things that you have skills behind. When you are skillful in an area, you are confident doing that particular thing because you know that what it takes to do it, you have it. So skills create confidence, and confidence propels you to take action, and so confidence creates activity, and it is the activities you engage in that create the success or the results that you will see. So develop your skills. If you are somebody who has the ability to develop your skills, you can be in AIM Global. You don't need a lot of skills to begin, but most of the learning is in the doing. So you may not be very skillful. If you join us, as we start the work together and as we train you, you will acquire all the skills you need. So if you think you are not skillful, don't worry. Still join AIM Global. We will train, teach you, and help you to acquire the skills you will need to be successful. So if you are somebody that can develop skills, that can be trained in order for you to develop the skills that you will need, then you are welcome to the wonderful world of Alliance in Motion Global. Finally, skills. Finally, requirement number 3, great attitude. To be successful in Alliance in Motion, you need a great attitude. Attitude is more important than skills in Alliance in Motion Global. Attitude is more important than education in Alliance in Motion Global. Attitude is more important than experience in Alliance in Motion Global. In other words, if you are not educated, you have no experience, even in marketing, and you don't have skills, but you have a good attitude, you will be successful in AIM Global. The reverse is also valid. You can be the most educated, the most skillful, and the most experienced person in the business. If you have a bad attitude, you are likely to fail. Attitude is therefore very, very important to succeed in the business. Success in Alliance in Motion requires 80% good attitude and only 20% good skills, good education, and good experience. And so if there's anything that you need to succeed, you must work on your attitude. And there's one attitude I will recommend to you to be successful in AIM Global. It is called the good learning and listening attitude. Two attitudes put together: good learning attitude and good listening attitude. You must be a good listener. I said earlier that one of the skills you need to develop is communication. But if you are a bad listener, if you don't listen well, you will not be able to communicate effectively. You need good listening attitude. Give attention to details when you are listening. Listen carefully. Listen completely. And make sure you understand what you are listening to before you even attempt to speak. You also need good learning attitude. You must always behave like an empty cup with nothing in you, and so you are always ready to learn. Anytime you meet any of the business partners or you are in a training session or seminar, you behave as if you don't know anything. You humble yourself and always ready and willing to learn. To be successful in AIM Global, you must be humble, you must behave like an empty cup, and you must be always ready to learn. Never ever have the I know it already attitude. Don't also have the I know it all attitude. It will not help you to succeed in Alliance in Motion. So, to end the presentation, I will say that if you are somebody with big dreams who can learn to develop your skills and who can learn to develop a great and a good attitude, then you can be successful in Alliance in Motion Global. So let's talk. Anybody who send you this video, talk to the person. We will help you to join us so that together we will develop big dreams, develop our skills, and develop a great attitude, so we will be successful in this business. So thank you very much for your time, and thank you very much for watching. You are welcome to the wonderful world of Alliance in Motion Global, where we turn ordinary people into extraordinary multi-millionaires. Happy Business Day.